The HYNNIEWTREP ACHIK National Movement or HYNNM at a press conference held in the city had expressed the urgent need for the government of Meghalaya to clarify to the public on the Supreme Court ruling with reference to the Meghalaya Job Reservation Policy submission through the Advocate General Amit Kumar in 2021. As of today, the job reservation stands at 40% for the Khasis and Jaintias, 40% for the Garos, 5% for other backward classes, and 15% for the general category. The HYNNM therefore urged upon the state government not to succumb to any pressure, either from political parties, NGOs, or individuals, to change the present structure on job reservation to avoid any complications that might affect the larger interest of the people of the state.
Baka sokar Meghalaya ka habat pensai mador namar kum ka seng HNM ka bakan thup lang ya ki citizen lagi nong Shillong ka tagamot ukaro bat ukhasi ngidawa ba ki de pensai mador ka sorkar ka pensai kloi supat ba ju de pendeu kamdai baju sunap ya ke ka ba u advocate walek ban jubab hante pos mungkot haka arfotrik jong ubnai leber arajar kuwei Kenang ba kam don kono kajing sutu bakala. Namar lada ka sorkar kasnap menti. Ada ka sorkar kamla ban pensai pagba. Ka HNM kum ka lagi steng jong jala Meghalaya. Ka ba kentup lang ya HYNNIEWTREP cek. Ngimkwa bangin ni sutu bakala namar ni septing bayo ki menderi la ki barjala kin sim kabu ya kan ke jinglong kawai bala ne ke jinglong trais nong trai muluk jongi hapreng khosi bat karo nama kata ka HNM ka kendal basai kedar ba ko sarkar Meghalaya pide ben pensai paj ba khnang ba kiriu sim kabu kin nom yo lat ban sim kabu ya kan ka isu ba isu san jong kari jong ka jaj benreu bat jong ka state hi berkuai